Hey guys, it's Jackie! And I am going to show you what I got from Gerard Cosmetics. My little PR package. So far, everything I've ever gotten from them, love it. So, these three things are separate from the rest that is in this box. The rest that is in this box is their Pride mystery box. It says, in honor of Pride Month, we are including this card as a reminder that love and acceptance are always beautiful, all month long. A portion of the proceeds from our limited edition Pride boxes will go to support the LGBTQ members of our GC family sharing their experiences. Our hope is by increasing awareness about issues those in the LGBTQ community face, we can spread a broader message of love and kindness. Let's spread some GC love, Jen. So this was a promotion that was going on in June. I just got mine today. Ordered it. Got it towards the end of June, so yeah. But yay! Pride, pride, pride. They are right. Love is love. No matter what. Alright, let's see. So this is a lipstick. It is, let me get a wipe so I can play with these. This is in the color Rodeo Drive, and this is their regular bullet lipsticks. And it looks like this. And it is a pretty neutral mauve-y color. Ooh, I love that. I think I'm going to be getting a lot of use out of that color. A lot of use. Okay, next we have another lipstick. That is Vintage Rose. And it looks like this. It kind of matches my shirt and my nails. What do you know? Ooh. Look at that. Ooh, such a light, like, hint of rose color. So pretty. I'll be getting a lot of use out of that one too. Okay, so this is like, I'm gonna wipe off my lipstick because this next thing I want to try out. It is a lip plumper, and I have never used one before. I hear some sting pretty bad. So we're gonna see what this one is like. Of course, I don't really have anything to compare it to because I've never used one before, but we're just gonna check out this one. It is Kiss Assist Lip Plumper. And it looks like this. Says Gerard Cosmetics on the cap, which is really hard to see. It does. You're just going to have to trust me. For some reason, you can't. I'm scared. I've never done a lip plumper. It smells like cinnamon. Now I'm really nervous. Here we go. I'm scared. I'm scared. Uh-huh. Is this really going to plump? It's kind of like really thick. Oh, I'm scared, guys. Kind of reminds me of that, like those, Red Hot candies. I love those, though. That's what it smells like. Let's see. There are no instructions. Oh, wait. Nope. When using this product, slight tingling or burning sensation on the lips can occur, may cause irritation. I feel slight tingling and burning. But it's not like really bad. Like it's not. I kind of like it. It's kind of nice. Okay, we're going to leave that on, and if it gets bad, then my son knows that I'm filming, so he has decided to get louder. Because he likes people to know he's here. Alright, so this is a lip pencil, and it is in the shade Peachy Keen. Is that the same one as this? Oh, it goes with this. It goes with my Peachy Keen bullet lipstick. Yay! I thought that sounded familiar. Look. Ooh, that is so creamy. Wow. I like that. Wish my child would stop yelling when he knows I'm filming. Just be aware, you will hear him all summer long in my videos because that's just him. Okay, so this is, I really kind of like this, this tingly feeling. Wow. I've always been so intimidated by the sound of a lip plumper, but I like this. Spray before or after your makeup application. Keep your skin hydrated. So this is a Mystified. It is a hydrating facial mist. Scared. Oh my. That was quite the mist. Like I have some spots now. All my sponges are wet because I just cleaned them. Doesn't really have a smell. Of course, all I can smell is the cinnamon from this lip plumper. I'll try this before I apply makeup next time I do my makeup and see just how moisturizing. It's hard to tell when you already have makeup on because it's like, yeah, I don't know. This is the Eternal Eyeliner in Noir, which is black, right? Oh. I don't know who he's talking to, but I feel like he's talking to himself. Okay. Got that nice and open. Let's take a shake before use. Oh. Okay. He was so much quieter before I started filming. Ooh. That. Ooh, that is a black liner. I'm gonna have to test that out next time. I like that. Yeah, look, that is a pigmented liner, and it's not like spidering out. So yay. Yay! Okay, moving on. What is this? This is called Vegas, and it is the Metal Matte Liquid Lipstick. Open sesame, please. Ooh, wow. Vegas. It's Vegas. Check that out. Ooh, ooh. Wow, that is a cool color. Hold on, let's see if I can make it shinier. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Yeah, that's gonna be fun. Man, I'm gonna have to think of a look to use so I can use that. Maybe like a real neutral eye. Maybe. Like a real neutral look with a nice bold lip like that. Possibilities. Next is Lilac Moon. This is a lipstick. Lipstick, yes. Another bullet. I love their bullets. They're just so sleek and I love them. Hello. That is, oh, wow. Hold on. Well, that's a fun color. Ooh, I want to play with that. Oh, we're going to play with this color too. Have to figure out a look where I can use a purple like that. I'm so excited. So excited. And then we have the Slay All Day Setting Spray in Mango. Ooh. It does smell like mango. It's their little minis. I like a mango smell. Yes. That is everything I got in my PR Pride box. Wow. This lip plumper. I kind of love it. Is it weird that I love it? I'm kind of like, yeah, I like that tingly feeling. I like it. Wonder if it's bad to wear it for a long time. Don't know. I love, in here there's like a little saying. It says, he asked me to choose between him and my lipstick. I miss him sometimes. That's funny. Okay, so that is my Gerard Cosmetics PR unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. There is a link in my description box for Gerard Cosmetics. There's also a code in my description box you can use to get, I believe it's 20% off. It says in the description box exactly how much. I'm pretty sure it's 20. That sounds about right. So yeah, if you want to check out some Gerard Cosmetics, then go ahead, use the link or don't. Doesn't matter. Either way, you should check it out whether you want to use an affiliate link or not use one. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you will come back for future videos and we can play with some of the things that I just got. Hit the thumbs up if you did like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation and be alerted as soon as my videos go up. That, my friends, is the end of this one, and I look forward to the next. I hope that you have a wonderful day.